Hi, in this Neurons for ITSM video, you will learn how to enable Self-Service Management Portal v3. The Self-Service Management Portal v3 is a responsive, web-based interface designed to enhance the user experience on both desktop and mobile devices. For new customers, Self-Service v3 is enabled by default. Existing customers can manually enable it. Self-service roles can upgrade from Classic v1 to v2 or directly to v3. Non-self-service roles upgrade straight from v1 to v3. Let's walk through and learn how to enable the Self-Service Management Portal v3. Log in to ITSM as an administrator. Select Configuration Console. Select Build and User Interface Styles. Select Style Editor. Click Add Exception. Select the required self-service role type from Role drop-down list. For an example, self-service user with call log. Turn on the self-service toggle to enable self-service page option. Select UI v3 from UI drop-down list. To configure the page option, choose from the self-service page options drop-down menu. For example, select Enterprise Landing Page. Click Save to apply and save the changes. Now log in as a self-service user with the call log role. Here, you can view the landing page for this role and also access options for other roles to navigate to their respective home pages. Click Self-Service Role to view homepage. Now you can view the self-service homepage. Click this icon to view the menu options available for the self-service role. Here you can view the default options available. You have now learned how to enable the Self-Service Management Portal v3 and different page options. Thank you for watching. Try it now. For more help, visit help.avanti.com.